everybody. Welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Tarrus Riley grateful after getting his own day in the City of Lauderdale Lakes. Riley, who was in South Florida for the weekend for the Caribbean American Unity Fest, was honored by the city for his uplifting music, cultural impact, and commitment to empowering communities. The singer was bestowed with a proclamation declaring June 5 as Tarrus Riley Day in the weaker city. In a social media post, he said, "I'm grateful and aiming higher and higher every day. Moments like these are fuel for my mind and my mission." The City of Lauderdale Lakes described Riley as one of reggae's most respected and influential voices, adding that his headlining performance at the festival helped unite thousands in a celebration of Caribbean heritage, music, and culture. On the international scene, Katy Perry says she finally feels whole thanks to the love of her life, Justin Trudeau. During a recent Q&A following the premiere of her Lifetime's tour concert film at the Tribeca Festival in New York City, the Grammy-nominated singer gushed candidly about her relationship with the former Canadian Prime Minister and how it changed her life during her time on the road.
I feel like a more grounded person in so many aspects of my life. I'm very in love. And after that show, I met the love of my life, and so I felt very anchored by that, because I'm a little bit like a rainbow kite. I fly super high, and and so to have that anchor finally makes me feel really whole.
Last year, Perry and Trudeau fueled speculation after being spotted together. Now, Perry was previously in a relationship with Orlando Bloom, with whom she shares daughter Daisy Dove. Now, Ariana Grande says she's the most grateful human being alive after her track, "Hate That I Made You Love Me," hits number 1.
I hate that I made you love me, 'cause I barely tried.
The Grammy-winning singer, who scored her 10th number 1 on the Billboard Hot 100, took to Instagram saying she feels like the most grateful human being alive every day to be able to do what she loves and to share it with the fans as loving as hers. She continued by expressing gratitude to her fans for their fierce love and support that they continue to show, which she described as unfathomable, saying, quote, "I love you and thank you for showing this record such love. Happy 10th number 1. The Petal lead single ties for the 10th most number 1 hits in the chart's history. It also marks Grande's first Hot 100 number 1 since 2024's We Can't Be Friends, Wait for Your Love. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.